Well, I hope you all are having a great Sunday. I do apologize ahead of time. I know that the sound in this video absolutely is horrible. The normal microphone that I typically use here, that's usually clipped onto my vest, or my jacket that is for some reason not working. So because of that, I'm having to use the built-in microphone on the computer here in the broadcasting lab. I know, again, it doesn't sound good at all, but nonetheless, I still wanted to bring you a forecast update as we head into the new work week, so just bear with me as we get through this video. Turning our attention to my graphics here, we'll take a look at the satellite and radar imagery across the across the southern and eastern half of the nation. We've got a big low pressure system working its way eastward, and all ahead of this cold front, there's a lot of clouds out there, so that is why it is so cloudy out there today. And overnight tonight and into the first half of the day tomorrow, it's actually going to bring us a decent bit of rain. With that being said, here's a look at your future radar view ahead overnight tonight. If you live just west of I-95 from Florence into Camden, Lancaster, Sumter, Columbia, Orangeburg, down through Gardenwell as well, showers will be possible really throughout the whole entire evening half of tonight, so please do keep that in mind. If you live east of I-95 throughout the low country, also here into the Grand Strand or the Eastern PD, not much rainfall. You can't rely on an isolated shower, but most of us will be staying dry, and that'll be the exact same case as we head throughout the rest of the evening hours towards your 10 o'clock hour and also towards your midnight hour as well. As we head past midnight into the very early morning hours of tomorrow, I do think that a good batch of energy will be working into southeastern Georgia and also to extreme southern parts of South Carolina, from Augusta down through Barnwell, Walterboro, and even down here in the low country in Charleston, south of Columbia. There will be a good bit of showers around. That's at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, overnight tonight. Still not much rainfall across the PD of South Carolina, but this burst of energy that is, will be starting to head northeastward as we head deeper into your morning hours. So here's 3 o'clock, here's 4 o'clock in the morning. You'll notice that as we head towards 6 and 7 o'clock in the morning hours, the rain is becoming much more widespread, and it's also becoming more heavy. We could even be looking at 1 or 2 thunderstorms possible as you were heading out the door tomorrow morning. So please give yourself a few extra minutes as you are heading out to work or school tomorrow morning. That'll be the exact same case as we head throughout 8 and 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, and gradually as we head deeper into your morning towards your lunch hour, all this rain will be starting to work its way off our coastline, and we should be left with a pretty nice rest of the day as we head into the afternoon hours. And with that being said, here's a look at your commuting forecast for your day tomorrow. Showers will be possible for your morning hours, so please give yourself some extra time on the roadways. Temperatures starting out in the upper 60s with the winds out of the west-southwest, about 5 miles per hour. More sunshine returns as we head into the afternoon hours. Temperatures will be warming back up to the upper 70s with the winds out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And with that being said, tomorrow is also Veterans Day, so here's a look at your forecast for your Veterans Day Monday as a whole. Don't know why that went to Monday night. Let's go back one graphic. Wait for my graphics to catch up with me. There we go. This computer is not the greatest, but we're still making do with what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Temperatures tomorrow will be topping out in the mid to upper 70s all across the board. Again, a chance for showers, maybe even a thunderstorm for the first half of your day tomorrow. We'll be drying out in the afternoon with the winds out of the west about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now let's go into the Monday night. This is the graphic that the computer wanted us to be on, but now we're finally on it, so there you go, computer. Temperatures tomorrow night will be falling into the upper 60s to around 70, right along, between the upper 50s to around 60, right along the immediate coastline. As you head further inland, temperatures will be falling into the low to mid 50s. Thankfully, it should be a very clear and mild night tomorrow night with the winds out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Taking a look at your high temperature forecast trend as we head to the second half of the work week. Our normal high for this time of year is around 68 degrees right along the immediate coastline. We are basically we're basically below average all week long. 64 for your high on Wednesday, and then 67 for your Thursday and also into your Friday. As we head further inland across the PD and along the border belt, our average high for this time of year is 71. We are below that all week long. 65 for your Wednesday, 68 for your Thursday, and 69 for your Friday. Considering I was born in the South and I love warm weather, I'm personally not a fan of this, but I know that a lot of my viewers are fall weather lovers, so I hope you can take advantage of it. And considering we are in the fall, this is where our weather should be. So I'm happy that our weather is where it should be for this time of year. Turning our attention to what is going on in the tropics, I know it's been a very active hurricane season. We all know about Hurricanes Helene and Milton. Thankfully, while the tropics are still somewhat active across the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean, and the Atlantic, there is no threats going to the United States or our area anytime soon. We actually just got a brand new update on what is now post-tropical cyclone Rafael. The National Hurricane Center just released its last advisory on Rafael, basically within the last 15 to 20 minutes or so. This is no threat to the United States at all. The only other area that we were watching is a very unorganized disturbance that is located just now to the north and east of Cuba. And within the last update from the National Hurricane Center, the chances of it developing even over the next 7 days has gone down to 0. So there is a 100% chance now that this is no threat to anybody. No threat to the United States, no threat to Florida, no threat to our area, no threat to anybody whatsoever. And I'll just show you the forecast from Rafael just so I can say that I showed it to you. This is the latest forecast that we have on what is now post-tropical cyclone Rafael. It'll weaken down to a tropical depression as we head into the day tomorrow. Still just meandering in the central Gulf of Mexico. No threat to anybody whatsoever. The only other thing I'm watching in the long range is some of our forecast models have been hinting at another potential disturbance forming somewhere in the Central Caribbean Sea, but God forbid something even did form in the Central Caribbean Sea. None of our models have it strengthening into anything worrisome or coming anywhere close to the United States of America, much less our area whatsoever. So bottom line, as long as we can get through the next few weeks, hurricane season should be done in our area. Sorry about that. Let's take a look at the forecast we had over the next 7 to 10 days across our area. Aside from some rain tomorrow morning, it'll be a pretty nice day for your Veterans Day. Sunshine returns for your Tuesday and your Wednesday. Our models are hinting at another system coming into our area for your Thursday and Friday. Because of relatively low forecast confidence, I've only put our rain chances at 20% chance right now. They could go up, but of course I'll keep an eye on the model trends, and of course we'll keep you posted as I learn more information. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s tomorrow, lower 70s for your Tuesday, and then we're back into the mid to upper 60s for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And with that being said, look at that forecast for this upcoming weekend. Absolutely beautiful. Upper 60s, lower 70s for your Saturday and Sunday. Lots of sunshine will be in that forecast. Please look at the forecast as you head further inland. Again, showers and thunderstorms will be possible tomorrow morning. We'll be looking at more sunshine as we head into the afternoon. More sunshine for your Tuesday and Wednesday. We increase those rain chances for your Thursday and Friday. Definitely not going to be a washout, but we'll be keeping an eye on those model trends. Temperature is upper 70s for your day tomorrow, lower 70s for your Monday, and then we're back into the mid to upper 60s for your Wednesday, Thursday, and your Friday. Again, I appreciate everybody bearing with me throughout these technical difficulties, and I hope you all have an amazing week ahead.